In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Messenger story option not showing. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. So, launch your settings app. Make sure you have stable internet connection or else you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, enable for the option airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds and then disable it. This will refresh your network. Next up, update your Messenger. So launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Messenger. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, check your story controls. For that, launch your Messenger, navigate to settings, then head over to the option privacy and safety. Scroll down and click on the option story controls. Make sure stories are enabled. Likewise, click on the option stories you have muted. Make sure you haven't muted anyone's story accidentally. Lastly, what you wanna do is completely delete Messenger from your device and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the Messenger app, click on Remove app, click on Delete app, click on Delete. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app and then install it. And that's it. With this solution, your Messenger story option not showing will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.